Several people asked to see a little bit more about the IT types keyboard and how it's used. I prefer to hold it against myself and brace one side and then type like that, either hand. And then you've got one hand free for a mouse, which kind of gives the ability to get away from the desktop, other than the mouse, naturally, unless you've got a gyroscopic mouse or something like that. But I'm going to hold it out like this, just so you can see a little bit better what I am doing. A common phrase that people use is THEQUMPED-OVERXJUMPED-OVERDOG. Actually, I meant to go a lazy dog instead of the lazy dog. It's my hesitation there, but that just goes to show it does everything. And then, of course, you can do Control A and grab it all, Control C, copy it, page down, maybe an Enter just to get to the other side, and then Control V to paste it again. It does everything you normally do on a regular keyboard, but with many fewer keys. The functions are allocated so that all the page functions start with the letter P. PU is PD. PU is page up. PD is page down. PZ is pause. PE is page end, and then home, just to back it up a bit. Oops. You've got all of the space, backspace, enter, period, question mark, exclamation, tab, comma, apostrophe, all within your fingertips with one hand or two. When we talk about this being a mobile keyboard, technically at this point it is a PC keyboard. It runs on devices that accept USB host. We'll go Bluetooth hopefully very soon, and then we'll be able to link with things like your iPhone. And the neat thing about that is you would have all of the controls, the keyboard on the back side of your phone, and you would be able to control everything and delete what you choose, and then of course type whatever you wanted. I probably shouldn't have deleted all that, so let me Control Z, bring it all back. We'll go page down again. One of the things that most people need to have on a computer is the ability to go Control Alt Delete, and that would open up the obviously open up the window so that you can go into your task manager and that sort of thing. And of course you can just escape out of that with all the control keys run off of the left ring finger, the finger that has control, that marries all the other keys together. And that finger with the E is escape, A is alternate, D is delete, and C is control. And that's the way a lot of the things are linked in this interface. USB at this point, but we'll cut the wire and go Bluetooth if we get some interest going on the applications of the technology. So we're also going to be showing it on the steering wheel, which I think is going to shock a few people, but for the most part we are moving into a connected environment in our vehicles and everywhere else, and it makes more sense to have a connection that you don't have to look at in order to operate it. And that's kind of the whole idea behind reducing the keyboard and the whole computer interface down to your fingertips, or 10 keys, as it were, in this application. I hope this gives you a little bit more information about the interface that we're trying to propose, and hope that you will help us and support this technology. Thank you.